Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying the readings, resonating with the readings. New Year is round the corner. I'm planning to bring in a small detailed reading for every zodiac for how 2023 is for them and with some simple tips. Just I just hope I'm able to take the time out and because I've been busy with some readings, the yearly readings which have come, and that's the reason for the delay. So let's see what is in cards for you today. I have picked, actually, my birthday just went and I was gifted a lot of cards. So I'm now starting to use the new cards. Okay, this is a beautiful message. It says it's a blessing in disguise. So maybe you have been wanting to do something and you have been worried that should you do it, and I feel this card more as whatever decisions you're taking right now in your life, you're worried will it create repercussions for the upcoming year. So I feel that you have done a lot of things in your life, you have seen worse situations in your life, and nothing can become worse than what you have faced before. So the cards are saying that have faith in your angels because everything is under control and there is a blessing coming. When we say blessing, this is a blessing in disguise. It means it looks difficult but maybe it is a blessing. So whatever is your plan, whether it is for today or whether it is for the future, go with your plans and go with your inner feel, because whatever your inner feel is telling you, it is bang on there and nothing is going to go wrong. Let's see what is the next card. Pray from the heart. Now see, that's a beautiful combination if you see. Okay, so still, if you, what I am feeling is the cards are saying that still if you have any doubts in your thoughts, and if you feel that am I sure, because in the reading it is come I should do, but do I still feel, if you still feel that is it needed, then just pray from your heart. So maybe what you can do today is, today in the morning, just sit by your puja room and burn the diya and look at the divine or connect with whichever god or goddesses you like and tell them that I pray to you with my heart, and I am sure you're going to always be there with me and you're going to help me be successful in the venture or in the decision that I'm taking. So, and I'm sure they're going to help you beautifully. I feel today the color should be white because you need a lot of clarity. There's a lot of chaos and confusion going on within you, and for that chaos and confusion to go, there has to be some clarity. So go with the clarity, and I'm sure that you are going to rock it and you're going to really really be happy that the day went as you planned. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.